Whitewash. It's a very trendy decor style right now, and Granny Bees have got 3 solutions for you as to how to achieve this look. Number 1 is with our Daisy chalk paint. Number 2 is with our classic seal whitewash. And number 3 is our amazing glaze white. I'm going to show you today how to achieve the one look with 3 different products. First up is going to be whitewash. So very important, pine can be very thirsty and also can have a very rough, if it's raw, a rough surface. So I've sanded it down a little bit just to make it smooth. And then, yeah, because it's thirsty and because this is a sealer, you'll probably need about 2 to 3 coats, but we're going to see how it goes. So our whitewash comes in 400 mils. You give it a good shake, and then we are just going to apply it with a brush. Hamilton's brush, we love these brushes, and then show you as we go along. So that's our first layer done, and then we're going to let it dry a bit, and then we'll probably do another 2 layers. Next up is our amazing glaze in white. This is also a fantastic product. You get this in antique, in brown, a black and a white, and you can also mix the black and the white to get like a grey glaze. So with the glaze, we are going to apply it with a brush, and then we're going to use a damp lappy to manipulate it into the whitewash. So let me show you. You'll see this got a little bit more coverage than the whitewash, and that's why we're going to be manipulating it with a lappy to get the wood grain to pop. How beautiful is that coming out? So with the glaze, you will still need to seal your project. So this is just the glaze, and then you can use your classic seal or your armor to seal it. I'm going to do another layer of the glaze once this one is dry. Just like with the white one, I'm also going to do another layer and then show you guys the difference. Next up is our Daisy chalk paint. Granny Bees old-fashioned range. So with this one, I am going to be using a very wet brush because our paint is obviously nice and thick. So a very wet brush, and then I'm just going to use the little bit of paint that we've got in the lid here, and we are going to whack it on. Again, water. A little bit of paint. So you've got to be quick with if you use the paint, because you know with Granny Bees it adheres beautifully, and it also adheres very quickly. So you've got to be moving fast. So I'm also going to be using the lappy here to remove excess paint. So I'm putting a lot of water on here. So I don't want to overwork it. I love doing that, so let's leave well alone. Okay, so we have done 3 coats of the classic seal whitewash. I've done 2 coats of the amazing glaze, and I have done 2 coats of the daisy. So with the Amazing Glaze and the daisy, you still need to seal your project. With the classic seal whitewash, no need for sealing. And as you guys can see, you get exactly the same whitewash effect with all 3 products.